Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss how to add hyperlink to a PowerPoint presentation, and this is part 1 regarding to hyperlink to a PowerPoint presentation. Let's start. So our topic is how to add a hyperlink to a PowerPoint presentation. In our previous video, we already discussed different options regarding to insert a picture, insert an image, and there is one more option left, that is hyperlink. So we are going to discuss how to create hyperlink in PowerPoint presentation. So hyperlink makes the presentation non-linear by connecting it with other slides, document and web pages. So if you want to connect a our PowerPoint presentation or link to a PowerPoint presentation to another slide of web page, or it may be any object, then we use hyperlink for that purpose. So the next question is, what PowerPoint object can be assigned with a hyperlink? So these are the different options as you can see on the screen. So these are the different objects that can be assigned with a hyperlink. The options are not limited to text and pictures, and there are some options that are available for hyperlink. First one is text box. So in text box, select the frame of a text box and the whole area including the white space around the text will be clickable. Important point is that including the white space, you can easily see on the screen, around the text will be clickable and the text will not be underlined or colored. In that case, the text will not be underlined and colored. And in second case, select the text only and the rest of the text box will not be. Select the text only and the rest of the text box will not be clickable. The text will be underlined and colored. So the difference between that, in first case both the white space and text will be clickable, but in second case only the text will be clickable and text will be underlined and colored. In first case, text will not be underlined or colored. The next is you can add a hyperlink to any shape or a group of shape. To do that, select the frame of a shape, and if you have a placed text within a shape, it will not be underlined or colored. It will not be underlined and colored. You can easily see that shape is written here within a ellipse, so that is not be underlined or colored. In that case, next is select the text within a shape and the rest of the shape area will not be clickable. Here we select a text within a shape, particular shape, basically this is an ellipse, and the text itself will be underlined and colored in this case. So regarding to shape, there are 2 points. You can take any shape and you can write text within the shape. So there are 2 options. You just click on the text within a particular shape, then text itself be underlined and colored in that case, and you can also add a hyperlink to any shape or group of shape. Next point is you can assign a hyperlink to any smart art object or a group of smart art object. To do that, select the frame of a smart art object, and the second case is select the text within a smart art object and the rest of the smart art object area will not be clickable. The text itself will be underlined and colored. So same difference as mentioned in previous case in terms of smart art object. or a group of smart art object. So you can assign a hyperlink to any smart art object or a group of smart art object. And there are again two options: text and a whole smart art object. Next is picture. You can use a picture or hyperlink also. So any picture you insert into a PowerPoint presentation can have a hyperlink, and you can use the image to illustrate textual ideas or create custom buttons instead of using PowerPoint templates. So there is a image here, you can easily see that, and you can also create a hyperlink regarding to a picture. So any picture you insert into a PowerPoint presentation can have a hyperlink. These are the different options available related to a hyperlink in PowerPoint presentations. And our next topic is, our next point is how to add hyperlink to another slide. That is our first part, how to add hyperlink to another slide. There are so many number of slides, and if you want to link one slide to another, that means you want to create a hyperlink to another slide. For that purpose, certain steps should be followed, and the point number one or step number one: select the desired object on a slide and go to the insert tab and click the link button as demonstrated in the picture. You can see that in insert tab, link button is there. You just click on that. If you just go to the insert tab, link button will be there. So first of all, select the desired object on a slide, and then after go to the insert tab and then click the link button. Okay. Point number two: in the open window, click the place in the document under link to and choose the slide in your presentation that you wish to use as a destination, and then click after OK. And then click after OK. You can see here, that is a diagram. Here you can easily see that slide 2 is selected, and we just write a text to display as a what is the space shuttle program. So the slide preview is also there, and this is a slide which you link to your slide 1. So in the open window, click the place in the document under link to and choose the slide in your presentation that you wish to use as a destination, and then click OK. So you can write text to display and select slide, and you can easily see that the option that is visible here is place in this document, and then after just click on the OK button and that slide will be hyperlinked. Preview is also available at that point of time. Next, point number 3: If you have created a custom slideshow means a certain sequence of a slide, and you want to connect your object with it. So first of all, click custom show, then click the show and return checkbox. Just like that, as you can see screen. First of all, select custom show. And all other things are same. So you can see that all other things are same except custom show. So if a custom slide representation is there, then click on the custom show. And our next point is how to add hyperlink to an existing document. That is our second point, how to add a hyperlink to an existing document. So you may connect your presentation to a document on your computer. For example, another presentation or even a particular slide in it. So however, if you then move your project to another PC, you will need to copy the connected document to the same folder. The link one won't work in case where you want to copy the presentation or you rename, move or delete it. So some points to be remember. First of all, if you connect a presentation to a document on a computer and you want to show that presentation in another computer, then always remember that make a folder and all the documents and the PPTs should be there, and you don't rename any rename the file name or delete or move the file name from one place to another. If it is so, then hyperlink wouldn't work. So that are the some few points which you should remember. So all the hyperlink material should be within a same folder. And don't copy the presentation or you rename, move or delete it. So don't rename or move or delete the document related to a link. That is the key point. And one more important thing, if you plan to publish your presentation online, you will need to convert all the connected presentation to online format and then use the resulting web pages rather than the source pptx file .pptx files. So for that purpose, follow these points. Select an object on a slide and then go to the insert tab and click the link button here. And then click existing files of web page under link to. You can easily see this on a screen. So just go to existing file of web page. under link to. These steps should be followed. Then third point, locate and select the document that you want to be used as a destination, and then click OK. And if you wish to link a slide in another presentation, locate and select that presentation on a computer, then click bookmark, and the open window choose the relevant slide. So if you wish to link a slide in another presentation, that is you can easily see that bookmark option is there. So you can select bookmark option. So if you wish to link a slide in another presentation, locate and select that presentation on computer, then click bookmark, and in the open window choose the relevant slide. And our next point is how to add a hyperlink to a web page. How to add hyperlink to a web page. So first of all, select a relevant object on a slide, then go to the insert tab and then click link button, as you can see on the screen. And you can also see on the screen, select the relevant object on the slide and then go to the insert tab and then click the link button. And then second point, click existing files or web page under link to. You can easily see on the screen that is the window appears. After that, see the option here, existing file or web page and in current folder. So that is in current folder, so you can change looking also here, and then add distributing, that option is present at the bottom of your page. And then after click OK. So in the address field, type the address of the web page you wish to add and then click OK. And if you want to add a hyperlink to a certain place on the web page, you can either use the anchor in the website address or the bookmark option. So if you want to add a hyperlink to a certain place on the web page, so there are two options. You can either use the anchor in the website address or the bookmark option, that is also available. You can see that is available on your right hand side. There is a bookmark option, you can easily see that. So you can use the anchor in the website address or the bookmark options. Both are available. Both options are there, so you can use any one of them. At the bottom of the address you can see the use of the anchor. But for simplicity, I prefer you to use bookmark option. And you can follow the steps above to add a hyperlink to a video from a video hosting website such as a YouTube also. So you can connect a YouTube video from you can also connect a YouTube video to your PowerPoint presentation. You can follow the above, add to a hyperlink to a video from a video hosting website such as YouTube. And then our next topic is add a hyperlink to a new document. So note that this type of the hyperlink can only be used in PowerPoint. It won't work in a web browser when sharing a presentation online. So first point is to add a hyperlink. First step to add a hyperlink to a news file. Select an object on a slide and go to the insert tab and click on the link button. Insert tab, link button is there. And second point is click create new document under link to. And different options are also there. Name of the new document, path, you can change the path also to change the document. And there is a text to display. Text which is to display is early history of the program. So these options are there. And then click on the edit the new document now. You can see these options. And then point number 3, by default a new document is created in the same folder with the presentation source file, and if you want to change the location, click change under full path and select the desired location and then click OK. After that, point number 4, enter the name of the new file in the name of the new document field and then click OK. Point number 5, under when to edit, choose if you want to edit the new document later or edit the new document now. And next topic is how to add a hyperlink to an email address. So first point, same, select an object or slide, then go to the insert tab and click the link button. Then click email address under link to. And these options are available. First is text to display, second is email address, then subject, see the option. These options are available. Now point number 3 should be followed, that is type in the appropriate email address in the email address box. So type your email address in email address box. Whatever be the email address you want to link, that email should be written in email address box. And then there is a and the box, and in which subject is written, which is optional. So optionally you may indicate the subject of your email message in the subject box. So you may indicate the subject of your email message in the subject box. You can see it here. Now you are able to link email address to your PowerPoint presentations. So these are some few points which we discuss in this video. In our next video we will continue this topic and see its practical implementation. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you are now able to understand this, and just go to your PowerPoint presentation and link according to that points discussed in this video. So thanks for watching this video.